You've got to see this. So check out this chart. Did the Russians just boost Bitcoin? And if so, what's going to happen next? We've had a pump and now we've got resistance. So make sure you watch until the end because you don't want to miss what we're going to talk about today. And please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So Michael, what's going on with Bitcoin?
Yeah, I think that's an important question. And where we are right now, we're going a little bit on a sideways, right? If you want to look at it like that. So we had a pump up, now we're going sideways and we're consolidating on this level. And that level is slowly rising, but it's also got rejected twice, I would say, at this resistant of the bull market support band, which is normal, right? We wouldn't break through so easily. But the important thing, and this is not financial advice, do your own research, but this is what I feel. Whenever I see a big green candle pump like that, I'm not scared when it starts to doing this. I feel, okay, that it will probably pump through, okay? That's a feeling, not financial advice. There's no based on any technical indicator, because what I said before, right, is that it still could be the three things. It could break through, bounce and go up. That's one like scenario. It could get rejected right now, or it could go through and then go back down. Those are the three like scenarios that I mentioned yesterday. So I think that's where we're still there. But a lot of people want to understand, hey, you know, what happened? How come we pumped? We were getting so much like negative news. And while there are a lot of reasons why, one reason could be about Bitcoin, Russians switch to crypto. You want to talk about that, James?
Yeah, so obviously in the news right now is Russia's invading Ukraine, and of course how a lot of the world is pushing back is through sanctions, and one of those is to affect the banking system, which is causing Russians to not be able to access their money, and so the ruble has tanked, and because of that, one theory is that they're thinking that Russians are switching to crypto. Now, is that true? It's hard to prove that since the crypto world is so anonymous. But it would make sense when people can't get their money, but yet then they can access crypto. Then it would make sense that people would put money into crypto, because why are you going to, if your dollar, so let's say for those of you who hold US dollars, if your dollar all of a sudden is worth 10-15% less than it was 2 days ago, then you want to put your money somewhere where you think it's going to be more stable. And it's bizarre to think that people are getting the point where they can go, hey, maybe crypto is more stable. Crypto is a volatile place, but this could just be part of the evolution of people adopting to cryptocurrencies. So I think it's if that is true, I think that's one positive out of this, bad situation over there, is that people are seeing crypto as a viable alternative to currency.
And guess what, James? We just broke through the 21-week EMA, one of the biggest resistance as you're talking.
This is live, real time here.
Yeah, real time. So you see it just broke through. So we're on top here. Now, it could be a fake out, but like I said, I have a good feeling it will break through because there's so much green candles. If you go on a daily chart, you will see what I mean. Like it's all just green, right? It's all just green. Like green, 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 right? Just pumping, very, very good pump. And I think when you see that, it's more likely to keep being green. It's from my experience, but it's a feeling again. It's not based on technical analysis. But yeah, we pumped and then we got rejected again. But anyway, it's like happening. Something's going to happen. It's got to make it like decision. But it is above that green line there. You can see that, right?
Yep. Excellent.
So let's see what happens, but it's pumping. And yeah, that's what we got for you today. And this Russian invasion, well, that story continues. But what's interesting, that was not here, before 11 years ago, is that crypto is changing the world. Now, when, banks are freezing accounts, people use crypto. When countries go to war, they use like crypto. Everybody's using crypto, which it's letting you know. I always said Bitcoin eventually will go to 1 million per Bitcoin. I still think that's true by 2030. If not 1 million, it will be at least 500,000. That's my prediction. Again, this is not financial advice, but we want to let you know why I'm such a big believer. And by the way, I just recorded my first video for our online crypto course today. Will be put online for those of you who invest in MetaGold and become a member to buy online courses. Go to the description to Metagold to check that out if you're interested to learn how to invest money in crypto and make serious money to create financial freedom.
Yeah. Yeah, this is actually a great time to get involved in crypto because where so many of the prices are low and they're down. And, obviously, for those new to crypto, crypto is volatile, but volatile, that doesn't mean it's bad. It means you can actually do really well if you do it right, if you know what you're doing. And you don't need 10 years to learn all of this stuff. And so Michael's crypto course is a fantastic way to do that. Now you could buy his crypto course, but a cheaper way to get it is just invest in Metagold. And so that's a project that we're behind. And again, as Michael said, the link is in the description because when you invest only $500 in Metagold, which is a rewards coin, then one of the bonuses is you get to access that crypto trading course. Of course, if you invest $1,000 in Metagold, then you actually get access to Michael's crypto coaching, where he tells you all of his trades, all of his sell markers, all of his buy markers, ICOs of new coins, things like that. So, yeah, check it out in the description because you can do really well.
All right, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.
All right. See ya.